I got these medical pouches that come with 5 different colors. They're dust proof and very long lasting, made out of Oxford clothing. They have transparent see-through and great zipper and a linear to hold it. They can be used for so many things. I'm using it for first aid right here, and I can store all my medicine and it's well protected in there, so I can use this to travel with, and it's really good for a survival adventure, for family, for kids, for school, for workplace, so many things, even outdoor stuff. I also can use it in my car to store my car particulars so that they stay warm and dry. And I also like the fact that it enters into my vital areas so well, and I can also add my medicine in there and store it in there, as you say. So one thing is, this is very easy to use. It can also be used as a makeup bag, and I can pack with it. The transparent window allows me to see what is in it, and I absolutely love this.